Welcome back to another episode of Kamshaft. So in this video, we are taking the straight piped exhaust on the 335, and all I've got is secondary cats. That's it. We got a muffler delete. We've got no primary cats, and this thing just has a terrible rasp and a terrible drone that I'm sure all you guys, if you've got like a muffler delete or you're straight piped, the car just does not sound good. I don't really like the sound of it. So we're gonna be pulling the exhaust today, and we're gonna be installing some resonators, some exhaust tips, and some mufflers. The whole point basically is to get rid of all that drone, that rasp, and we just want a nice deep sound. We're running an open wastegate, so as soon as we get into full boost anyways, this thing's gonna scream regardless. Also, I do want to mention we're doing a 1,000 sub celebration giveaway. So if you want to enter the giveaway, just follow these 4 simple steps. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, send me a DM showing that you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. And on June 30th, we're picking 2 people that will get one of our premium hoodies with our latest logo. And we'll also send you guys a couple of our random air fresheners off the site. This is our newest logo. We do have 6 different color hoodies. And these are some of the air fresheners we're gonna give away. We've pulled the exhaust. Usually you'd have, got secondary cats, X-pipe because it's an E92, and then mufflers, which as you can see are gone. And we're gonna be replacing the secondary cats for some resonators, some Flowmaster mufflers, and some exhaust tips. My crazy dad helping me out. So the goal here is to tack it up, and we're just gonna really mock things up. Just welding these resonators in. We got rid of those secondary cats, and basically we measured 50 times, cut once, weld once. We reused some of the factory elbows. The tips will go over here, so you won't really see this. The welds don't look terrible either, honestly. Pretty happy with them. So yeah, basically straight flow through, Vibrant 1792 resonators, Flowmaster mufflers. Can't remember which ones exactly they were.
Okay, so we got the Flowmasters in the house. You got some quality welds there. I ain't even gonna hide them. You can't hide quality like that. You know, they're actually not too bad. You know, like, I won't say I'm proud of them, but they're not terrible. I'll take you guys far down under now. See, we got the mid-X pipe. And then we got our Vibrant resonators that are welded in there, and yeah. And not much to see up there, because that's where it comes off the downpipe.
that sounds so cool.
It does. I like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This road is terrible.
Okay, go for it.
I'll keep it going, slow down, we'll get his reaction here.